What is up, guys? Technicals here. I haven't spoken a lot about DePIN, but everyone and their mother's talking about DePIN right now. I don't know if everyone's just thirsty for the next thing because mining's not so great, and so they're thinking like, oh, DePIN stuff is great. Now, I'm not all that familiar with DePIN. It kind of popped up during my hiatus, and as far as I understand it, it's a way for companies to sell widgets that somehow produce coins associated with the widget, and they make a lot of money selling the widgets to you under the guise of they're going to replace traditional or institutional based infrastructure of some sort, namely like things like cellular networks or internet networks or things like that, or they're going to map stuff with, dash cam. This is just an ignorant person's take on DePIN and why it won't work as an outside observer, and so I'm completely ignorant to it. You want to lash hate at me, go for it in the comments, I don't care. But if something was worth doing, big companies would just fly in and do it in a centralized manner, and then most normies would use that. If Google really wanted to create their own cellular network, they would just fly in and do it. They got the cash to facilitate it, they could just build it out. Now, sure, they tried that with fiber optic, and we all know how that worked out. I just don't see this decentralized sort of model working out versus, on the whims of a large company being able to just fly in and utterly destroy it. But that's not to say that you can't make money on it right now, and that's, I think, why we're all here, to make money. So I have the latest and greatest DePIN device here with me in the studio. I got this on loan from Tech Hustler. He said it was too small for him, but this is the latest DePIN device. It's called the plug tower. And so all you have to do apparently is you insert this and it generates butt coin or rectal coins or colon coins or whatever joke I can come up with. I didn't write a script for this video. It was just kind of a yuck, and I thought that'd be funny. But this is real. This is a real coin. Tech Hustler has a bigger model. That's the funny part about it. Hopefully he retweets me because he has a much bigger following. Anyway, you see this has this antenna here. This communicates with the colon network, and of course, like all DePIN devices, it's got a 12-volt charger that you have to keep plugged in. So it goes in this way. So I'm gonna pop this in and see how many colon coins I can generate in about 24 hours. Okay. All right. Yeah. Oh. That's not too bad. All right, so let's go ahead and plug this in and see how many we can get going here. Oh, all right, there's a fun little counter right here. Hey, I've already made money. Nice. And I'm doing my part to secure the blockchain and usurp legacy infrastructure systems that use old analog technologies to, yeah, DePIN's not for me. I didn't even put it in. I'm a filthy liar, right? Tech Hustler didn't even have one of these. All right, aside from the yucks, because that was a poorly thought out yuck, DePIN stuff, I just on the surface don't see it really going anywhere because of, again, these large companies, if they really want a slice of the action, they're just gonna fly in and do it. Although I think that sure there's opportunity there for us to kind of come in and make some money, but as a cautionary tale, and it seems to me, again, outside observer, super ignorant to the space, it seems very likely that a lot of these companies are just out to sell you their widgets. They go to China, they go to Shenzhen, and then they say, make this widget, and then it communicates back, and they're just kind of distributing tokens, all the while selling $300, $400, $500, $600, $700 devices to you, and you got to go up on your roof and install it, and then it just doesn't go anywhere, it doesn't work, and you've already sunk the money, it's gone, the money's gone into this stuff, and then it's kind of like, the ASIC model. What happens in a few years when a better version comes out, and this newer version is what's needed to continue making that money. So, really, I don't want to go with the whole just buy the coins argument, but for you to invest in these sort of DePIN things, I think you really got to trust and, believe in the underlying token or coin or whatever this thing is spitting out. And so at that point, maybe just buy the coin. I don't know. That's my rip on DePIN, although I'd love to know what your opinions are in the comments below. Did you get taken? Did you buy one of these yet? If you want to buy, I'll put this on my Etsy. I'll do it if you want. Antenna, and the antenna does not come off. You have to take it with the antenna. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts on DePIN are, or if I'm just completely off base and these systems are going to come in and it's going to replace Verizon, AT&T, Spectrum, whoever. It's just going to completely wipe them off the face of the earth, and then a decentralized network will completely take over and everyone's going to use it because it's just that much better because people like decentralized stuff. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'm The Technicals. See you next time.